Hello, it's Crafty Rhea, and here I am again for take number 4. This is the 4th winner I'm drawing for this Halloween prize pack. Winners number 1, 2, and 3 have not contacted me, so I'm drawing number 4. So what I'm going to do is I will draw a winner, of course, and if this winner does not contact me by Thursday night at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time, October 22nd, then I will draw a winner in my Facebook group out of one of the members over there. So, because I do want to really get this out before Halloween so they can get it and enjoy it for Halloween. So, we're running out of time. So I'm hoping this winner, whoever wins today, I hope the winner contacts me. I'm begging you, shameless begging over here. Okay, let me show you one more time what's in the prize package. This was from the Fall Fest collab that I did on October 2nd. And this was the Halloween prize pack. I had already given the fall one away. The person contacted me and they got that. So here we go. This is Halloween. We have this cute little composition book. We have this googly-eyed card, Creep It Real. It's blank on the inside, so you can send it to whoever you want, write what you want inside, and there'll be an envelope with that, of course. And this cute little envelope flip book. And the spider is still hiding in there. And I would so rather you have the spider than me. And there's that page. You can go check out my other videos for more details of all of these prizes. And there are videos up on how I made all of them as well. So, oops, one of the names escaped the bag. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and reach in and pick out the winner. This is, like I said, the 4th time. You have until Thursday night, October 22nd, to contact me, 11:59 p.m. by email. And the rules for my giveaway are you must be 18 years of age or older, have a U.S. mailing address, and be a subscriber to my channel, a visible subscriber to my channel. So let's see who winner number 4 is. Mix them up real good. Okay. Let's see who it is. And the winner is Ann Kinsey. And Ann, I know you, and I know you are a subscriber to my channel. And please, please, please contact me and let me know your mailing address. Send me an email and I'll be happy to get this prize out to you. I hope Ann reaches out to me. I'm going to keep my fingers and my toes crossed. All right, if you know her, please let her know. Okay. Anyway, there we go. This is winner number 4, and Ann has until 11:59 p.m. Thursday night, October 22nd, to contact me with your name and address, and I'll get this out to you in the mail. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. Again, number 4. And like I said, if I don't hear from Ann by Thursday night at 11:59 p.m., I will go ahead and draw the winner over in my Facebook group. So you might want to head on over there. It's Create with Crafty Rhea. So if you didn't make it in time for this drawing the first time around, you have time to make it over there and become a member of my group. It's Create with Crafty Rhea, and that link is below. My email will also be below. Thanks again, everyone, for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.